What is your favorite dish to cook?
My favorite dish to cook is chicken biryani.
How do you start cooking your favorite dish?
I start by washing and preparing all the ingredients.
What ingredients do you need for your favorite dish?
I need rice, chicken, onions, tomatoes, and spices.
How do you prepare chicken for cooking?
I clean and marinate the chicken with spices.
How do you prepare vegetables for your dish?
I wash and chop all vegetables into small pieces.
How do you cook rice for your favorite dish?
I boil the rice with a little salt until soft.
How do you make the spices for your dish?
I grind fresh spices and mix them in the dish.
How long does it take to cook your favorite dish?
It usually takes about an hour to cook.
How do you make your dish flavorful?
I use fresh spices and herbs to make it flavorful.
How do you cook the chicken properly?
I cook chicken on medium heat until tender.
How do you make your dish spicy?
I add chili powder or green chilies.
How do you make your dish mild?
I reduce chili and add yogurt to make it mild.
How do you layer rice and chicken?
I put chicken at the bottom and rice on top.
How do you cook your dish on low flame?
I simmer it slowly to blend all flavors.
How do you check if the rice is cooked?
I taste a grain to see if it is soft.
How do you check if the chicken is cooked?
I cut a piece to see if it is tender and fully cooked.
How do you make your dish aromatic?
I add fried onions and fresh herbs for aroma.
How do you make your dish colorful?
I add saffron, vegetables, and spices for color.
How do you make your dish creamy?
I add cream or yogurt for a creamy texture.
How do you make your dish healthy?
I use less oil and fresh ingredients to make it healthy.
How do you fry onions for your dish?
I fry onions until golden brown.
How do you mix spices in your dish?
I mix spices carefully to distribute flavor evenly.
How do you cook your dish in a pot?
I layer ingredients and cook on low heat in a covered pot.
How do you cook your dish in the oven?
I bake it at medium temperature for about 30 minutes.
How do you prepare the marinade?
I mix yogurt, spices, and lemon juice for the marinade.
How do you marinate chicken?
I coat chicken with marinade and let it rest for an hour.
How do you make the dish soft?
I cook it slowly and cover it with a lid.
How do you make your dish juicy?
I add enough water and cook covered to retain juices.
How do you make your dish spicy but tasty?
I balance chili with yogurt and other spices.
How do you prepare garlic and ginger for the dish?
I peel and grind garlic and ginger into a paste.
How do you cook tomatoes for your dish?
I saute tomatoes until soft before adding chicken.
How do you make rice fluffy?
I cook rice with less water and let it rest before serving.
How do you prevent rice from sticking?
I rinse rice and use the right amount of water.
How do you stir your dish?
I stir gently to mix flavors without breaking rice.
How do you adjust salt in your dish?
I taste and add salt gradually while cooking.
How do you add herbs to your dish?
I add fresh herbs at the end of cooking for aroma.
How do you serve your dish?
I serve it hot with raita or salad.
How do you store leftovers?
I store leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge.
How do you reheat your dish?
I heat it on the stove or in the microwave.
How do you clean utensils after cooking?
I wash them with soap and hot water.
How do you make your dish restaurant style?
I use fresh ingredients and proper spices.
How do you make the dish for many people?
I increase the ingredients proportionally.
How do you make your dish faster?
I chop and prepare all ingredients in advance.
How do you make your dish slowly for better taste?
I cook on low heat to allow flavors to mix.
How do you make your dish creamy without cream?
I use yogurt or coconut milk for creaminess.
How do you make your dish less oily?
I use less oil and drain excess fat.
How do you make your dish rich in flavor?
I add a variety of fresh spices and herbs.
How do you make your dish tasty for children?
I reduce spices and add sweet flavors.
How do you prepare the pot for cooking?
I grease it lightly and cover it to cook evenly.
How do you cook your dish in a pressure cooker?
I cook all ingredients under pressure for faster cooking.
How do you make your dish aromatic with saffron?
I soak saffron in milk and add it at the end.
How do you make your dish golden brown?
I fry onions and spices until golden before adding ingredients.
How do you make your dish soft and tender?
I cook slowly and marinate meat well.
How do you make your dish fluffy?
I mix rice and meat gently after cooking.
How do you make your dish spicy without burning it?
I add chili gradually and cook on medium heat.
How do you make your dish creamy and rich?
I add cream or yogurt towards the end.
How do you balance flavors in your dish?
I taste often and adjust salt, spices, and sourness.
How do you make your dish smell good?
I fry onions, garlic, and spices properly.
How do you cook rice perfectly for biryani?
I boil until half cooked, then layer with meat.
How do you make your dish look appealing?
I garnish with herbs, fried onions, and nuts.
How do you make your dish spicy for adults?
I add extra chili and pepper.
How do you make your dish mild for children?
I use fewer spices and more cream or yogurt.
How do you cook chicken evenly?
I cut pieces evenly and cook on medium heat.
How do you cook vegetables perfectly?
I cook them until tender but still crisp.
How do you cook your dish in a large pot?
I layer ingredients carefully and cook slowly.
How do you cook your dish in small portions?
I reduce ingredients and cook in a smaller pot.
How do you make your dish healthier?
I use less oil and add more vegetables.
How do you make your dish more flavorful?
I add fresh spices and herbs during cooking.
How do you cook your dish faster without losing taste?
I preheat the pan and prepare ingredients in advance.
How do you cook your dish slowly for better aroma?
I simmer on low heat for a longer time.
How do you make your dish less salty?
I add water or yogurt to balance salt.
How do you make your dish sweeter?
I add sugar or sweet vegetables.
How do you make your dish more sour?
I add lemon juice or yogurt.
How do you make your dish look colorful?
I use vegetables, herbs, and spices with different colors.
How do you cook onions perfectly?
I fry them until golden brown.
How do you cook garlic perfectly?
I saute garlic lightly without burning it.
How do you cook tomatoes perfectly?
I cook tomatoes until soft and pulpy.
How do you make your dish rich in texture?
I combine meat, rice, and vegetables carefully.
How do you make your dish creamy and soft?
I add yogurt or cream while mixing.
How do you cook your dish evenly in a pan?
I cover the pan and cook on medium heat.
How do you cook your dish evenly in the oven?
I bake at medium temperature and check regularly.
How do you make your dish flavorful without oil?
I use fresh herbs and spices.
How do you make your dish aromatic without cream?
I fry onions and spices properly.
How do you make your dish delicious for a family dinner?
I use fresh ingredients and cook with care.
How do you make your dish soft for children?
I cook meat and rice slowly until tender.
How do you make your dish spicy for adults?
I add chili powder and fresh green chilies.
How do you make your dish sweet for desserts?
I add sugar, honey, or sweet sauces.
How do you make your dish crispy on top?
I bake or fry lightly to create a crust.
How do you make your dish colorful with garnish?
I use fried onions, herbs, and nuts.
How do you serve your dish hot?
I serve immediately after cooking.
How do you store leftovers of your dish?
I keep them in an airtight container in the fridge.
How do you reheat your dish?
I warm it on the stove or in the microwave.
How do you cook rice and chicken together?
I layer chicken and rice and cook on low heat.
How do you make your dish smell amazing?
I use fried onions, garlic, and fresh spices.
How do you cook your dish without burning it?
I use medium heat and stir occasionally.
How do you cook your dish evenly in a pot?
I cover the pot and simmer on low heat.
How do you make your dish soft and juicy?
I cook slowly and add liquids during cooking.
How do you make your dish creamy without cream?
I use yogurt or blended vegetables.
How do you enjoy cooking your favorite dish?
I enjoy cooking by following steps carefully and tasting often.
What do you like most about cooking your favorite dish?
I like seeing everyone enjoy the food I make.